Hello there, and welcome to Golden Canvas. Today, I'll be guiding you through a preset titled Nostalgic Glow. Let's get started. Here are some before and after example photos with the preset applied. Awesome! Now, let's begin by selecting a photo. This woman at the record store matches the vibes perfectly. We'll go with her. We'll start by adjusting the light settings. Let's begin by setting the exposure to -0.50. Contrast to +35. Highlights up to +22. Shadows lowered to -16. Whites at -25. Blacks to -44. Next, we'll start adjusting the color. Let's nudge the temp to -3. Tint down -10. Vibrance at +2. Saturation bump to -2. Here's what we have so far. Now for the color mix. Red hue, -46. Saturation to -26. Luminance +12. Orange hue, -12. Saturation -20. Luminance down to -10. Yellow hue, +14. Saturation down to -30. Luminance drop to -28. Green hue, -28. Saturation drop to -23. Luminance to -18. Aqua hue, -22. Saturation at -20. Luminance down to -21. Blue hue to +12. Saturation to -14. Luminance to +18. Violet hue, -11. Saturation down to -17. Luminance at -15. Magenta hue, a +6. Saturation drop to -18. Luminance to -8. That's a wrap for color. Let's head over to Effects. We'll adjust the texture to +6. Let's bump the clarity over +20. For the grain, we'll go up to 25. Size should be 64. Roughness down slightly to 45. Here's your progress so far. Next, split tones. Set the highlights to 178 and saturation at 7. For shadows, hue at 50 and saturation to 42. Perfect. Now, on to detail. Sharpening to 55. Noise reduction at 10. For the final touches to really pull this together, we'll create the tone curves. The tone curves should be adjusted as follows. And that's it, we're done. Now, let's copy the settings and apply them to some other photos. I really hope you all enjoyed this preset. If you would like to, a like, comment, or hitting subscribe for more would be greatly appreciated. Much love, and see you soon!